Hi, welcome back. I'm Josh with Fisher's Health Department here on the afternoon of January 18th, 2022 with our COVID-19 community updates. So starting off with some updates from the Indiana Department of Health on the Omicron variant in the state based off of recently sequenced sample cases. We have seen that Omicron has nearly pushed Delta out as the dominant variant with nearly 100% of the sequenced samples recently being of the Omicron variant, and we're seeing this Omicron wave really hits rather quickly and hard across the states. Last week, the state reported averaging roughly 13,000 cases a day, and there has been roughly 800 cases a day in Hamilton County and about 250 cases a day on average here in Fishers. So when we look at the hospital bed capacity, this is a very important metric that we discuss each week, the ICU bed capacity. We look at the Indiana Department of Health, Region 5, where Hamilton County sits, and the ICU bed capacity over the last 7 days of reported data is averaging 7.03% ICU bed availability. And we're seeing that of those hospitalized in ICU beds, that 41.5% of those individuals also have COVID that are hospitalized and occupying the ICU beds. So we expect this strain on the healthcare system to continue as cases are still increasing across the state. And we are seeing that on average over the pandemic, hospitalizations lag cases by a couple weeks. So we do anticipate that the strain on the healthcare system will continue over the next couple of weeks. Now, in terms of testing, another important metric area that we always talk about, we have expanded our testing availability so that we can offer more quick options to individuals to be tested. We have dedicated school prioritized testing to help keep students in our Fishers area in school. And so the school prioritized testing on our website is available to those that have students at Fishers-based schools or staff, faculty, and employees of the schools. And we have approximately 450 of those appointments a day. And then we've expanded our All Hoosier testing site that is open to everybody. And we've expanded the number of appointments per hour for that so that we're able to offer 720 appointments Monday through Thursday, 600 appointments on Friday, and 360 appointments on Saturday. So there is high availability of same-day school prioritized testing. And then when you look at the All Hoosier general testing, the current availability is set at Thursday, but we hope with this recent expansion in capacity per hour that we will be able to shorten that window and offer testing sooner. Now, if you are looking for a rapid at-home test, you can go to covidtest.gov, and that is a website run by the federal government and is part of the Biden administration's initiative to offer free at-home rapid COVID testing kits to Americans. You can go online and enter your information at covidtest.gov and have 4 at-home rapid kits shipped to your home, and those will start shipping tomorrow. And they expect the shipping will take 7 to 12 days. And if you're looking for other testing options, do keep a close eye on our website as we continue to ramp up our services to help meet this demand. Now, other important metric areas that we talk about are the positivity rates and the case incidence rate. So when we look at the Hamilton County unique individual positivity rate, it has gone up from last week. Last week, it was at 37.1%. And in this week, it is at 42.7% as of earlier today. The Fishers testing site positivity rate has increased from 39.4% last week to 40.5% this week. In the overall community 14-day case incidence rate as a rolling average has increased from 249.2 to 269.6. If you have any questions over those metric areas that we always discuss, please do email us at healthdept@fishers.in.us. And then one other area to discuss is vaccination, because the vaccines are a proven and effective strategy, particularly to help minimize the risk of severe outcomes and potential hospitalization or death from COVID. It is very nice to be able to report that in the Fishers community, 91% of adults 18 and older have received their first dose. We are seeing approximately 70% of the 5 to 17-year-olds have received their first dose. And for the entire coverage of the Fishers population, that includes ineligible groups, there's about 78% first dose coverage across the entire population. So we do know that vaccinations help provide a very high level of protection against severe outcomes. When you look statewide at the breakthrough hospitalizations and the breakthrough deaths, those numbers remain quite low compared to unvaccinated individuals. So amongst all of the vaccinated individuals in Indiana, the breakthrough hospitalizations are 0.069% over all time, and the breakthrough deaths are 0.037% all time. If you have any questions over this video, please do give us an email at healthdept@fishers.in.us. Continue to practice mitigation measures of proper hygiene, masking, wear a well-fitting mask, and social distancing, particularly in public settings. Thank you very much and have a nice day.